And now we'll see the another concept, that is access modifiers. Okay, that means you can modify the accessibility of any particular class properties. Okay, suppose this is my class, okay, this is another class, okay, and this book class is trying to inherit all the properties of my class. Okay, suppose I don't want my attributes, okay, suppose I don't want my title attribute to be inherited to the child class. Then how can I restrict that? Okay, we are having the restriction, that is access modifier, private access modifier. Okay, that means if you keep double underscore before the name of any attribute or any function name, then that won't be inherited to the child class, and the accessibility of this particular attribute will be bounded under this class itself. Okay, now let's see. I kept double underscore before the title. Okay, that means I want to make this as a private for my own class. Okay, I don't want this title to be inherited to the book. Okay, inherited to the book, any child class. Okay, here I am trying to access this attribute. That's whenever you are trying to access the private attribute within the class. Okay, that we can access that by keeping the underscore before that attribute name. Okay, now let's see, let me create the object for this book class. Okay, I am naming the book class object reference as b1, and I am trying to call the initializer function of the book class by passing all the expected values as arguments. I am passing the author name as a1 and title as t1. Okay, and after that it is expecting is borrowed. Initially when you are creating any record for the books, initially it would be false itself. Okay, unless until any other person borrowed it. Okay, now let's see, we are able to access that title with respect to the object of child class. Okay, I told you already, it won't get inherit into the child class, but try to access this b1 dot title. Now let's see, yeah, here you got the error that book object has no attribute title. That means it is not, this attribute is not dumped into the book class. Okay, that's why it is saying I don't have any title in the object of book class. Okay, and also that means we justified that the private attributes won't get inherited into the child class. And also another thing is there, that is not only in the child class we cannot access that private attribute out of the scope of this class. Okay, that means let me create the object for the parent class, that is the library. Okay, and try to access that title attribute with respect to the object of that library class. Okay, here you can see, am I creating the object of that particular class within this class? No, I am trying to create the object of that class outside of that class scope. That means you are trying to access that attribute outside of the library class. Okay, now let's see, we are able to access that title outside of this class too. Here you can see that one required potential argument. Okay, it is expecting is borrowed as well. Okay, now you can see library has no object of title. Okay, that means it is restricting this private access modifier is restricting this title to be accessed outside of this class. But you can see that here inside of this class one function is there. It is accessing that it is accessing that title attribute. Okay, here we are not getting any error, we are getting the error only at the 17th line. Okay, that means within the class whatever the functions are there, they can access this private attributes, but outside of the class we cannot access that private attributes. Okay, now let's call this print title function. Okay, so that already this print title is accessing the title. Okay, accessing the title, that means, and this is public, this is not preceding with the double underscore, this is public. That means you can access this functions and this attribute outside of the class as well with respect to the object reference of that particular class. Now let's see, we are able to print the title, or otherwise we are getting the same error for accessing this title inside this print title function as well. Okay, print title is not defined. Did I do any mistake? Print title. Okay, library l1 dot print title. Now you can see the printing of the title, that means there is no restriction for this attribute within the class. The restriction is only outside of this class. Okay, whatever the attributes or the function that are preceding with the double underscore, computer treats that attributes or the functions as private to that particular class, and these attributes won't get inherited into the child class, and we cannot even access that attributes or the functions, private attributes or the function outside of the class. Okay.